Drawing the Head and Hands by Andrew Loomis. This book, it's a great, beautiful book. Not that expensive. And this is where the Loomis method comes from. And there's a lot more in here than the Loomis method. It's tons more in here. There's some great stuff in here. Here's your Loomis method, typical, most people think of. I think I'm just going to draw eyeballs from the book. Practice my eyeballs. Yeah, my eyes, I'm not happy with my eyes. Anytime I draw a head and face, my eyes are not great. I think it's just not lack of practice, but lack of knowledge of here, I guess he just cuts everything in half like this as an eyeball even. But yeah, my problem with eyeballs or drawing eyes is that I don't know anything about the structure. I just kind of guess at structure and think, oh, this is how it's supposed to look or something. And I just scribble something in and hope for the best. Oh, he's connected them with this line here. That's cool. See, this analytical approach to drawing things just wasn't something I was not interested in as a younger artist. I thought, whatever, I can just look at life and draw. Like, I don't need you to draw lines and I don't know. I'm going to draw, yep, just going to keep practicing here. Yeah, I was this arrogant. I mean, comes with young age, arrogance, right? Just kind of know everything. I know what I'm doing. I don't need lines. Man, I really wish I'd learned perspective back in the day. I wish I learned the importance of it. But now I know. And we're going to draw this line again to connect eyeballs. So they both look up, kind of thing. What do you have trouble with? What do you guys have trouble with? Just tell me down below. Is it eyes, like when you're drawing a face? Is it like a chin? Is it the ears? Is it everything? I like this drawing lines thing. Like, it really, kind of the same reason why I like drawing boxes now. I like drawing boxes, you know, if I'm going to draw a body or a character or something like that, I'll draw a box first to know, you know, what angle I want it in. Here's one looking down. Draw that line connecting. And then It looks like it's a little too low. Move it up next time. Okay, so now he's okay. All right, there we go. You know, it's something I haven't, some basic thing I haven't perfected yet or gotten good at yet is drawing, like, say I have this box here. And I want to put make a whole, this ellipsis here. I don't know, I just don't get it. This is pretty much the same, but like this ellipsis, that looks not too bad. But yeah, these ellipses on the side of or in this angle, in different angles, I always have trouble with so far. Haven't gotten good at it yet. So now I'm gonna, again, draw in a circle. I'm gonna follow this here, and it's like drawing some eyelids, and yeah, just draw that connected. Just drawing the circle, still drawing the it's kind of a good practice here to keep drawing these lines to know where I'm at here. And that's where you find the pupil. Boom. Yeah, I usually just scribble my way through something, like look for something as I scribble it. I'll show you in a sec what I mean. So here's here's a cool little thing I didn't really, so the eyelid kind of just follows the eyeball, right? That's cool. That's a good little tidbit that I should continue with. Just kind of follows the eyeball. A little bit thicker, just the width of some mass, a little right behind the skin. You have a little bit of muscle, a little bit of mush, a little bit of substance. Oh geez, I don't know, this thing is so, okay. Nice, it just kind of follows that. And down here, it just follows that. And then and then it connects here, boom. Looks pretty cool. So how I find something, like normally, like if I'm drawing a head, let's do the Loomis method real quick. Boom, boom, boom. Let's cut that off. Boom. Go down. Doop, doop, doop. Right. There we go. Whatever. It's fine. And then this is your nose. That's where your eyes are. So I got your nose, that's your mouth, your chin, nose. And I draw sockets. I always draw sockets because it's kind of, okay, that's where it is. And then halfway is where your eyes are. And I draw the eyeball. But I guess I can further like cut these in half, right? So if I'm gonna do straight on, I'll just do that, right? But now, like I said, I'm just kind of scribbling. I'm like, okay, that looks right, that looks right, that looks kind of whatever. They look kind of far apart. Not really. But how I would do it, like before, sometimes I just like just keep drawing. I don't know, I just kind of scribble my way, and I'm like, okay, That looks good. I usually have like bags under the eyes, and it's like, oh, they look old or maybe tired, and you know, doesn't really work with a young girl or something. Yeah. I mean, I was always scribbling like a crazy scribbler, looking for things. Hey, where is it? Anyway, where is my, here we go. My eyeballs. Cool. So here they have this like, he's put, it's gonna be in an angle. So he didn't do this, but I'm gonna like make a ball. I mean, the ball is probably like this. And then just looking at you like this. And this is your nose. And then you can do like lashes, that sort of thing. And then he's got these like close-ups. Now, I'm just gonna keep drawing circles for eyes and then draw a little thing like this. But what he's got is just mostly lid. And just I mean, I can just practice this over and over again. And of course, there, the eyeball, the pupil. Starting to rain, guys. I'm gonna have to head on in. Yeah, I've definitely learned a lot drawing Loomis's eyeballs. Keep drawing, guys. See you later.